BMW is one step closer to rivaling Tesla as a dominant player in the EV industry, as it is now in possession of the first solid-state battery prototypes from Solid Power. Solid-state batteries are deemed a game-changer in the EV arena but have largely been a pipe dream for some time, theoretically possible but without the know-how to make it happen. However, 2023 has seen great strides made in this regard, with Toyota announcing its solid-state battery roadmap, BMW committing to a partnership with Solid Power, and several others announcing big breakthroughs. At the time of BMW's original announcement with Solid Power, it said the goal was to have solid-state battery prototypes before the end of 2023, and Solid Power has now confirmed this in its third-quarter financial results. It is a reflection of our team's strong execution that we produced and delivered our first A-sample EV cells for BMW a little over a week ago, marking a major milestone for Solid Power, said John Van Scoter, President and Chief Executive Officer of Solid Power. We are very excited to make these deliveries, begin the formal automotive qualification process, and continue on our path towards commercialization. These A1 EV cells will also support BMW's demo car program, which we expect will also be a major proof point for our technology. But just because BMW has prototypes in testing doesn't mean you should expect to see them in an i7 anytime soon. Solid-state batteries are being specifically developed for the company's new E-Class models, which will kick off with the next-gen BMW 3 Series in around 2025, previewed by the Vision New E-Class concept. Thereafter, they will proliferate to the rest of the range as models make the switch, and we could even see them in small electric city cars due to the lightweight and compact nature of solid-state batteries. As for Solid Power, the Colorado-based battery manufacturer promises to develop its solid-state battery production further. Some of the company's key objectives include scaling electrolyte production from SP2 and improving key cell performance metrics. Since Mini and Rolls-Royce are under the BMW Group, both automakers should also benefit from the partnership.